Yeah. So the trend is clearly down. We're mean reverted. We just grabbed that. We just grabbed that. Nice job. We're gonna mean revert again. 237.75. 237.75. We are in again. 262 to 75. I'm gonna add in more. 287.75. I'm gonna double down, and then I'm all out at 312. 312.75 if that loses. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and I'll talk through what I just did. 1931. Got it. Okay, so I'm risking 28R to make 4. You might be like, what on earth are you doing, buddy? And well, based on what I see here is that this is a downtrend, okay? And I'm not just looking at the chart. I don't even need the chart to see it. I can see it on my spreadsheet right here. And there's a lot of numbers on the screen, I know. But basically you can see that short 3, that means it goes down 3 increments, and you can see the increments are posted on the screen. At some point back here, it's been going down 3. So you can see here that it hits it goes, oh my gosh, it keeps on going down. Holy smokes, it keeps on going down. You can see the sway. The sway is negative 100%. In the past 10 trades, the sway is negative 100%. It's a very clear downtrend in terms of 25-point increments. You can see that it's only gotten down. It's honestly, there's been no relief. In other words, it's a very, very high trend score, extremely high trend score. So what happens from here is, no, I don't think it's going to keep trending. There might be a trend, but I think in general, especially being at nighttime, I think it's going to mean revert. So because the trend score is really high right now. So I'm mean reverting. That's what I'm doing. So every time it goes up, I'm going short. And the idea is that because I'm able to double down on my position and trail my target, if it does not go in one straight line, I win. I win automatically. So the idea is to do that a couple, 2, 3 times to be able to have enough in my nest egg to start trending when the trends need to happen. But right now, the trends don't need to happen. They've already happened. You can see that it's gone down short 3. That means it hits this red dot, right? Oh, the red cross is like, these are the increments, right? And it hits an increment and goes down 1, 25 points, 2, 25 points, 3, 25 points without a retracement. The retracements are the red dots, so it retraces. So that means that was a trend of 3. That's a trend, dude. You can make money doing that, because if it goes to the blue dot and you know it's not coming back, you know it's not going to retrace, you can add to that position like crazy. You can double up on the position instead of doubling down, right? You can double up on the position and trail your stop, and you can do the same thing again. And if it's going to go a third time, you can do it again. So you can actually make 7R when it goes 3R. And if you want to do that again to make it go 4R, if you say there's a 4th dot, which this one didn't do, you can make 15R when it goes 4R. I've done it. I've done the math. It's true. It's because you double your position on every single R increment, and you trail your stop every single R increment. Right now, personally, I'm doing the opposite. Oh, I doubled up. Uh-oh. This is not a good thing. I don't like doubling up. We want it to mean revert. Right now, see, I've got short on this red dot. It went up, and I doubled. Now it looks like it's going to go up again. I'm going to double up again. I'm out at 312.75. If it goes to 312, no, never mind. This is my first double. If it goes all the way up to 337 up here, I will get out. And I'll stop doubling down. I'll get out, right? I mean reverting. I do the opposite each way. It's a block. It's shield, punch, shield, punch. Right now I'm shielding. But holy smokes, we got a 50-50 chance now of losing. Fuck. Excuse me. 62.75 has got to be my target. 62.75. This is not good for me. We might lose this one. We might lose this one. My stop's in place. Is my stop in place at 312.75, please? My stop's in place. Got it. I'm either losing 28R or making 4. Not a good spot to be honest with you. It's already gone 2R in one direction, as you can see, without retracing. It's getting close to my target here at 62.75, but I freaking hope it gets there. That's all I can say. I freaking hope so. If it curls upwards, I'm screwed. That should be it. That should be out. Oh my gosh, it got down to 1 tick. There we go. We're in. We're in filled. There we go. Whew. That was a close one. So now we're up 8R. Should you mean revert again? Well, I can tell you right now, looking at the scoreboard, it's been short 4. It was short 3, then short 3 again, then short 3 again, then short 1 again. Is the shorts ever going to lose anything? I'm going to mean revert. 237.75. I'm going to mean revert. I think that they'll lose at some point. I'll mean revert this. I don't think that the shorts are just going to continue just pounding this thing, man. I'm going to mean revert that. I'm going to go long. But not in a super directional way. I don't love this price. It's just, in general, I think it won't keep trending lower just like that. But we'll see. Even if it does trend lower, all I need is a retracement like you just saw. 212.75, my goodness, this thing is trending. Just wait until this thing calms down, man. If we can capture these, get away with it, and then this calms down and gets into a lull, that shit can go to sleep, I'm telling you. 262.75. I've seen trends stop. In my back test, I've seen. So I'm long right now at the blue dot. I'm going to be long again at 212.75. I've seen things mean revert for 20, 30 trades in a row. 187.75. And then I'm out. Oh, we're doubled up. 187.75. 162.75. I got to be out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, shoot. We just made 2R. I don't want to make any more. Shit. Get me out at break even. My bad. Because this stupid, nonsensical thing. Close all positions. Flatten. Cool. My bad on that. Sorry. This stupid prop firm I'm doing, I don't want to make too much money. That's fine. Now we can go back. Because I got accounts that I need to make money in. That's good. All those are good. I got 4 accounts that are in the clear. We have to detach all of them and just run one of them. All right, we're back. So it did almost mean revert now anyways. It's got to get to 37.75 and I would have probably won anyways. I can see the trend score is still super trending, so we might have a residual trend. I love those the best. If we have a residual trend, like look at this 2R, man, can this thing calm down? This thing's about to calm down big time, dude. But if you see last night, like last night was 222, a 4, a 3-3. That's crazy. 2 3s in a row. That means it went up, went down. Like a went up, went down. Probably see it. You can probably see it somewhere. Let's see what time was that at? 8 o'clock last night. Up, down. 8 o'clock last night. About up, down. Right there. This wick. Boom, boom. Up, down. Up, down. And went up, down in one trend. In 15 minutes. And there's 2 trends there. That's price movement. Moved price. But a lot of the times it can just chill. Look, it went 7R at 10:45. What happened there? 10:45, boom. That's this. That's this trend down here. Look at this one. Bam. That's that trend. Nope, never mind. That's at 2:30. What happened there? Oh, I don't count it. I stop at midnight. What the hell was that? Oh, right here is that? That's 7R? Holy smokes. That's 7R. That little movement down. So my scaling's got to be like this. I mean, we're talking 25 points on the NASDAQ as my increments, bro. This is small points in considering what's going on in the market right now. You should have saw me the other day, dude. When the market was up 12%, that day I had my volatility was so off the roof, bro. Off the roof. The roof's gone. It's like, it's crazy. What I had to do was I was using 12.5 points. Then I was using 25s. Then it jumped to 50s. Then I'm like, dude, I literally have to use 100-point increments to trade my system. And even then it was hard to keep up to trade that because, I mean, I'm talking right now, it's jumping back and forth 25 points. This is manageable. You know how I know it's manageable? Because I see the speed right here. It's moving about 1 increment a minute. That's totally pleasant for me. That's my groove. Like, I love that. It's like listening to music. Or no. That's like, I was playing Roller Coaster Tycoon the other day, and there's these rides with these faces that are like, they're like, oh, thrilling. And then there's pleasant. I'm Mr. Pleasant. This is pleasant speed for me. About 1 increment per minute is pleasant. I had to jump to 100-point increments on that day. I think it was yesterday. I had to jump to 100-point increments. I'm like, dude, I'm having a hard time just being able to keep up with 100-point increments. This is crazy. Because how I match volatility is if the market's moving 25 points every minute, that's normal. If the market's moving 50, if the market's moving like, so the 25-point speeds, we're going like 6, 8, 12, freaking 12 increments in a minute in 25 points. That means the market was going so crazy, there's not even possible to participate in that. So I have to move my risk boxes bigger, and I have to descale my risk to have it the equivalent of my 4R that I'm trying to make. And it actually works out really well. But I will say that that smokes, we were dealing with some serious volatility. Serious volatility, dude. All right. Right now, so it's overnight. Overnight, I'll tell you right now, overnight normal is 12.5 points. Right now, it's 25 points. I'm dealing with 25-point increments, and it's a great speed right now. So it's in general high volatility times, for sure. And obviously anybody can see that. But I've got a system of seeing what it actually is. I'll tell you right now, this thing is a trending environment. It's still continuing down. It's gone 2R right now. I do have an account to still trade. I am going to mean revert 162.75. I mean, do you think this is going to be a 5? Fuck, man. Excuse me. 137.75. I'll be in there. I'll take that. 137.75s. I'll take those. Oh, darn. It's already jumped. No, I'm only trading one account now. We're in. We got to be aware of this because this thing's diving. If this thing does trend 112.75, I got to be in more. We're in more. 087.75. 087.75. Gosh darn it, it's so quick. This is doing something so quick right now. Oh my gosh. I didn't get that. I didn't get 0.875. Shiza. I'm out. I'm out for break even. My bad. It would happen too quickly on that. Why the speed picked up at 3.2. That's rare. It went short 5 with a speed of high speed and a high trend. In this case, that's a very, very, very strong indication that a trend's gonna that it's a trending environment. Not even, I'm not talking, I guess I'm dealing with this too. This is somewhat new to me as well. But in my back test, I saw that if it's a high trend, which is a 5 right now, it just went 5 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We just witnessed a 5 down. That's super quick. It happens very quick, number one, which is a very good sign. In the high volume, a 0.7 volume when in comparison. No, never mind. What? Yes, 0.7 volume in comparison to little volumes. Overnight volume sucks to look at. Volume's not even worth looking at because there's no variations. I might have to choose a different format for that one. Meaning I can choose the decimal point over at times 100 to actually see numbers, but I don't think I need it right now. I'm just looking at speed, and the trend score is freaking outrageous. Trend score is outrageous right now. But right now, what we could see is a down and back, just like the other time, just like this one. Just like this one the other day, it went 3-3 right here, a 3-3. Right now, it's got a groove going that it goes down 5 and up 2 right now. It's already a trend. If it goes 3-4, that's a down 5, up 4, down 5, up 3. Either way, this is a trend. That is obviously a pivot bottom, just like that last night too. Either way, I can't wait to trend this thing. Mean revert this thing. This thing is so freaking crazy. And I did not lose on any of these trends. And I'm going to join in mean reverting after the trenders have made money. I can't wait. I can't wait for it. I'll mean revert at 187.75. You got me there, bro. You got me there for sure. It's already trended 3 times. I'm happy to do that. I'd happy to participate in that. 212.75. 237.75 is my double add-on. And then I'm all out at 260.275. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Let's see if it goes upwards again without retracing. This thing is moving and grooving. The trend score is outrageous. You can see the sway is down 120%, down 100%, down 76%. This is falling. It's falling. It's falling, dude. The trend score is high, but it's not going back and forth, trending back and forth, bro. Obviously, that's why the sway is very important. So be aware of going long in this sway environment, because if you were going long at any point in time, you're getting destroyed out here. Short 3, short 4, short 3. Short 3 again, short 3 again. Do they ever lay off? Short 1. Do they ever have a 1? Short 2, short 5. Bro, the shorts haven't lost yet. It's crazy. Every single time. This is an unreal trend right now. Unreal. I'm going to bet that the shorts are going to slow down. That's what I'm going to bet. I think they're going to slow down, dude. The shorts need a freaking 0. They need a mean revert once, right? This thing, it can't even breathe. It's just going down. Can't even catch its breath. Very interesting overnight sesh, for sure. Looks like we need $400. No, actually. Oh, shoot. We've made 330. I don't want more than that. Our goal is to get to $500. All right, I'm gonna go long. 137.75. We're in. I don't think it's gonna continue going short like it has been. I could be wrong, but I'm going long in a downtrend right now. I'm going long with this when the sway is this far. I understand that. But the shorts, look at it. The shorts have never given up yet. Dude, it's going to chill. It has to chill at some point. The market's going to chill at some point. Where's my chill factor? Come on, chill factor. We're almost there already. That's 28 for 4. This is 1950. 1950 normal. Yep. We're at 8R. We need to get to 20. For some reason, we're more than the 8R. I don't know how we made another $100. It must have been where I kind of just randomly got out there. Yeah, that's probably it. All right, 112.75. I'm in Longmore. Hold on, I got to change prices quick. It is going down. It's a downtrend. Yeah, I'm going long. Are you crazy? Yeah, I'm probably crazy for sure. I think a lot of people are crazy out there. 162.75 is my target. Am I going to mean revert again? Yeah, I'm going to mean revert again. The trend score's a freaking 80 right now, bro. That's crazy. I mean, I rarely see it at 80. Rare. This is a rare occasion. It only can go down from here. It only can go down from here. We're in again. We're going short, 137.75. 187.75. No, I didn't mean go down like the market go down. I'm undirectional. 212.75. I'll tell you right now. I'm the first of its kind. A non-directional futures trader. 237.75. My stop. I just think that's funny. Really funny, dude. Our goal is one more R. We just need one more here. One more and we hit our goal. Yeah, this is it. If this one wins, we're done. 1952, we're mean reverting classic. Yeah, you're just mean reverting after a 0. Dude, this is like the rare 0 tonight. I mean, it's mean reverted basically nothing. It's never mean reverted this entire night, basically. Once, twice, thrice, 4, 5, 6. I mean, that's really small amount of mean reversion going on. It is going to chill at some point, bro. And that is what we're betting on. What I hope is that there's no residual trend right now, because the longs did act up. The longs did fight back, and now the longs are trying to fight back again, because there was a 2 right there, a long 2. And the longs made another 2, really. When was the long 2? Ooh, the long 2 was right there. Long 2, and then it started the trend downwards. Interesting. So the longs acted up, and then they got destroyed. They got rained on. Oh, that was right here on the chart. See that? So the longs went up, made this green wick, and then got pounced. Got destroyed. Oh, man. That's why directionally is really difficult. I'm trying not to trade directionally. Is there going to be a 3 rolled? If a 3 or greater is rolled, I will lose. 28R. Well, right now I'm risking heavy, but it doesn't have to be 28R. That's it. Target hit. That's it. That's $545. For some reason, my accounting's a little off, but that's all right. Net P&L is 521. That's a lot of commissions. That's all right. So 20R. Boom. That's it. So day traders is done. That's the prop firm this time. I have 3 prop firms running. We're just going to be a peasant at each and every one of them. Guess what I can do? I can stop when I'm ahead. I'm really good at stopping while I'm ahead, and I'm not afraid to say it. I'm not, that's my strength. That is my strength. So day traders eval again. We've got 521 here. That is 1371. We're very close to our 1500 goal. We're very close to our 1500 goal. We're not quite there yet, but I need another trading day. That's what I'm saying. I don't keep reaching further. That's the whole purpose of this. I don't keep reaching further. That's it. I'm done. So let's bring this into my day traders. I'm actually going to start this when I go live. No, all the others have been back tested too. You're right. I'll bring this in then. Oh, I got to update it then. Okay, I'll update it. Fine. I'll update that later. I'll tell you right now, it's gone 1, 2, 3 days. This is day 3. The high was 20R. I made 20R. The low was 0. I never lost because I'm risking a lot to make a little. You might think it's easy. I might think it's easy and get false confidence. I tell you right now, if you're not going to win this game if you don't trend also. What I was just doing is mean reverting. I was mean reverting because it needed a mean revert. There we go. We got a 0, 0, 0. We want a mean revert when it's absolutely outrageous like that. An 80, it's very rare that I've ever seen an 80, actually. The back test is, it's sub 5%, dude. It's very rare. Anytime you see an 80 where the trend score is so freaking high, you got to mean revert that. Keep in mind over millions of trades, not millions. Okay. You want to know truthfully, over about 8,000 trades was the back test. 25% of the time, a 2R or greater is rolled. Okay? I know that because statistically speaking, that's what it is. Mathematically, that's what it is because that's what it pays out. And guess what? The market is equivalent to what the math says. I can go on about it. I would have to show the whole entire thing. It's like, I'll give you a hint. The probability of rolling, let's say right now, the probability of it going up an increment or down an increment is 50%, right? It's a 50-50 chance. Well, what are the odds that it goes up one increment and then from there it goes up another increment? So that's 2 in a row. The odds of that is a 0.5 times 0.5, right? Which equals 25%. A 2R or greater is a 25% chance of happening. Now, what is the mathematical statistics on all of these numbers? Mathematically is 25%. It matches up with the probabilities. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I'm like, this shit fucking is like an equation, dude. And that's what it is. It matches up with the equation. It's really unremarkable. I think it's fascinating. But what I see, if it's an 80%, well, that means it's trending 80%. Dude, it's going to come back and revert to what's normal. It's going to come back to 20. It's going to come back to 25%. I can guarantee you, because that's what happens. How quickly it comes back, that's going to make or break us. All right. But if you see an 80, it's only got one direction to go, bro. Mean revert. Okay. So that's why I mean reverted. But if I'm telling you right now, any one of these trends, it's going to be 7R. For 1R or 4 for 28, whatever. That's what I was doing right now. But you're not going to win this game if you don't trend the market. You have to trend the market, okay? That I know that. I mean reverted today because that's what it looks like. It needs to mean revert. But if it needs to trend and this volume starts picking up, speed starts picking up, and it hasn't had a trend in a very long time, and the trend score is a 0, it needs to go up to 25% at some point. Okay, well, we can bet on a trend. Because if you had if you had mean reverted the entire time, you'd be making hand over fist, just like the trenders, in this situation. Hand over fist. If you're just outright trending every single trade, trend, you'd be up so much money. Do you want to know how much? We don't have to go into it. That's a rabbit hole. But every 3R or greater, it's positive 7R. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, it quickly becomes way profitable for trending. Undirectional, whichever direction the market wants to go. So if I see that, like, wow, well, I wouldn't want to keep on trying to trend and be greedy, just like the trenders, like, oh, I want to keep on going. Well, no, the market doesn't keep on going. The market, in my opinion, doesn't, continually trend, or doesn't continually mean revert. It ebbs and it flows. And that's my entire trade plan. Okay? So the close is 20. Volume, how many trades? 1, 2, 3, 4 trades. 4 trades with high risk. Made 20. And that was 410. And then I have to fill in the other data points to get my candlestick formations going. This is the back test. Top Step's the first live trading day. We got 6 trades in. We made 20. We also mean reverted for that. This Top Step one. This Top Step one, I'll tell you right now, is my very managed. I can only trade from 9 a.m. to 14:30. Day traders, and which I'm not going to use ever again, and take profit. This is my back test one on the left. And I'll just keep on running that down. Every weekend I'm going to back test a month. But my take profit account, I want the freedom to be able to trade evenings just like I'm doing now. Day traders, I can trade evenings just like I'm doing now. But Top Step is my regulatory account, I call it, and it's going to be during the day from 9 to 14:30. I've got my trade plan in front of me. Both of them have a specific trade plan. Both of them are doing the same thing. However, the profit goal is different for day traders and take profit versus Top Step. Top Step, I have a different goal. I have a very long-term goal for Top Step. We're not going to withdraw anything until we make 10 grand, which you'll be, how are you going to get to 10 grand? Well, many bars, many days, many days, you'll get to 10 grand. Make $500 a day, you'll get there. And I only make $2,500 a month tops because I stop. I stop for many reasons. I can go on about that, but let's go on. That's it. Day traders, I can't trade anymore because that's done. Let's close that one up. Well done, by the way. Appreciate that. Well done. Take profit. I'm waiting for my waiting for them to send me my funded email. So we're gonna start Take Profit live tomorrow. Except I can't trade tomorrow because I have my little boy. So I'm not gonna trade tomorrow. So starting Monday, we've got Take Profit Take Profit live, which will start here and will end here. This one, Take Profit, is done. Take Profit live is starting, just like Top Step live has began. Take Profit live has began. And I'll tell you right now, let's go into the profit losses that we're looking for. So we've got Top Step live, 5 of them. Take Profit live, 5 of them started for Monday. Day Traders eval, we're almost done for Day Traders eval. That needs to be erased. I didn't mean to do that. No, we need 4 days. So I need to make $200 this 4th day, and then we can get our funded account. So we'll actually have 3 prop firms with 5 funded accounts each. And obviously I'm not going to keep any money in the account on this one. I'm running it down. might be able to scrape by with day traders. We'll see. But it's tops. Yeah, I've only spent $100 to get 5 accounts, so that's a good deal. We'll see, man. Obviously, take profit. I'll tell you right now, man. If you make $2,500 a month, and you do it until January, bro, you're gonna make $10,000 a month because there's 5 accounts. All right, 5 accounts and 80% you take home. You can make $80,000 this year. Is this real? I mean, fuck if I know, bro. If I make 80 grand, I'm going to tell you right now, I might not even believe that it's real. I don't need 80 grand, dude. I don't need 80 grand. I need 20 grand. That's all I need. I don't honestly need it. But all I know is that I'm good at stopping when I'm ahead. So that's what I'm about to do in every freaking situation possible. My month, I'm done. 2,500, done. That's why we work on different things. That's why we got day traders running, take profit up to par. We got top step up to par, and I'll just keep on topping things off when I see it, and try to do my best. What am I gonna lose? I lose $1,000 a day if I lose, or I make $500. Right now, you can see the back test. This is the volatility you can expect. Bigger red days, but solid green days. You can see a string of red there. I might have been impatient in my back test. Back testing is a little bit different. I'm still just using the spreadsheet. I just don't have the chart or anything, which I don't necessarily need the chart. I don't necessarily need that. Look at this. It's been mean reverting like crazy now. That was the mean reversion. Now I'd probably wait because there might be a residual trend form. Because the trend scores is 0 now. So that's what I'm doing, just back and forth kind of stuff like that. This is in its infancy, this system. Trust me, I've gone through many systems. It's gone all over the place, really. This is just what I've landed on. This is what I'm doing now. I don't know if this is what I'm going to do, 6 months from now, but I do hope I have it planned out. I have the roadmap. Those who fail to plan to fail. And right now, you can't tell that. You cannot say that to me. You can't say that to me. I have a trade plan written in front of me. I signed it. I have my daily loss limits, my daily risk reward, my monthly risk reward, how I'm going to pay out, exactly the payout steps. I have it written out right here. I know exactly what's going to happen. It's written. I know exactly how I'm going to trade, which is from my spreadsheet. My spreadsheet, I'm going to mean revert or trend. I'm going to risk 1R to make 7. Excuse me. I'm going to risk 2 to make 14, or I'm going to risk 4 to make 28, or I'm going to flip those around when I mean revert, just like I was doing today. That's what my goal is. That's it. That's all she wrote, gents. That's all she wrote. What more can we do, bro? You can't do any more, dude. I'm telling you. You can't do any more. There's just nothing else we can fucking do in this. We just pray to God that this shit works. All right? Do your best. Forget the rest. And eventually, you know what? I think it is a good time to use prop firms because there's so much competition. And what does competition do? It creates a better price. Look at the commissions in stocks. There was so much competition because of electronically traded stocks. You know how commissions were so much more back then? Now commissions are free. They're free commissions. It drove it down to free, bro. It is a fantastic time to be a consumer in this. It's a fantastic time to be a prop firm trader because the competition of prop firms, they're fighting for customers. We have the upper hand. And That's my point. If there was one prop firm, bro, they can just like be stingy with shit, but they're not. They can't be, because they're gonna lose traction. They're gonna lose their clients, because all their clients are going elsewhere. There's so many prop firms. That's a very good sign for us. All right, that's what my opinion would be. I'm sticking with the big ones. Day traders definitely should not be on the list. I will never do that again. I looked into the fine print on that one, and I'll tell you right now, it's shit. Top Step and Take Profit are by far the best that I've seen. I have it listed out here. I have the comparisons listed. Apex is also all right. My Funded Futures is all right. So I need to secure payouts, and then I can spread my wings. I'm happy to spread my wings. I'll tell you right now, this is my monthly. Where are you at, monthly? Where are you at, monthly? There's my monthly. I lost $1,200 in January. I made $3,000 in February. I lost $4,000 in March. This month I'm up $800. But I blew an account. So now why do you blow it? I really wasn't trading my plan. Here it is. I was just trading, like, well, buddy, well, I keep on making money, so I'm just gonna withdraw every day. Like, Take Profit lets me, and I was withdrawing this. It was actually pretty cool. I'm like, wow, you know what? This is only one account. Let's fucking do this. So now I've got 5, and we're gonna try to make small ass little money. Oh man. All right, this has gone on. I just think it's cool, man, but where's the money, man? It's cool. Where's the money? I don't care what you see on the screen. I need to see money in your hand. And trust me, I'm saying that to myself too, man. All right, successful day. And that's it. That's it on the day. Now we play video games. Okay? That's your plan? Yes, sir. Did we see a residual trend? No. It has popped up. We might see a 3R here. So it might have that residual trend, but it's certainly happening slower than the others. Interesting. All right. That's it, folks. Peace and harmony, mate. Peace and harmony.